Love didn't arrive suddenly. It didn't announce itself. It didn't demand attention. It arrived quietly, almost unnoticed, like a thought you don't realize matters until it stays. They started talking again. Not every day, not with intention. Just small moments between routines. A message sent without thinking. A reply that came a little faster than expected. Conversations felt natural, unforced, like neither of them had to try. He listened carefully, not just to respond, but to understand. She noticed details most people missed: the tone behind words, the pauses between sentences. They talked about ordinary things: work, life, small frustrations. Yet somehow, those conversations felt important. They laughed at simple moments. Inside jokes formed quietly. Comfort grew without effort. There was no pressure, no need to impress, no fear of being misunderstood. It felt safe. And that safety mattered more than excitement. Neither of them said what they were starting to feel. They didn't label it. They didn't question it. Because naming it would make it real. And real things can be lost. So they stayed in the comfort of silence, letting emotions grow without words. Slowly they began to care. Not loudly, not dramatically, deeply. Before they realized it, they were emotionally invested. Not because they planned to be, but because feelings don't ask permission. Some emotions grow strongest when left unspoken, and this one was growing quietly.